Rahim. This is a October 2021 42 variant question number 7. So first question he asking us here that this volume of hemisphere. What is hemisphere? The top portion hemisphere. So he's asking the volume, but in a multiple of pi. Multiple of pi means in terms of pi. So multiple of pi words or in terms of pi, same thing. And what is this is a formula of sphere. You can find sphere volume, but you know a complete football is called sphere, student, and formula is a 4/3 pi r cube. But if I erase the top part, look, I erase the top part, I get what? Hemisphere. And this formula will be into half. This cancel, we got a 2/3. So volume formula is 2/3 pi r cube. Simply replace r value 2 and we'll give our answer. So pi 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 to the 16. So 16/3 pi is my answer for the first part. And I believe this part is very, very clear to you. Let's go for the next part. He's saying the volume of the whole container, the whole object is 88 pi/3 in terms of pi he given us. Okay, fine. All right, he said find the height of what? Because height of cone is missing, height of cylinder is given. So let's try to solve it. First of all, cylinder volume. Because the volume part of cylinder is like behaving like a, all of you know cylinder volume formula is, I'm writing here, this one is a pi r square into h. So what is the radius of cylinder is 2, or this 2, and the height of cylinder 5.2. So 2 a pi r square into 5.2. And if I type this much only in calculator, 2 square into 5.2, please be one favor, don't type pi in calculator. Don't type pi in calculator. I type this much only in calculator, I'm getting this answer. I'm writing pi beside of it. You can ask me why, what is the logic behind, you'll come to know after a short gap. So look at here. So we have a 3 things, students. So volume of the whole shape, number 1, hemisphere, number 2, cylinder, number 3, cone. Okay. Just got it 16/3 pi, and I'm writing it now here 16 pi/3. Cylinder, I just got it 104/5 pi. Okay, total volume of the object is given 88 pi/3. And now what left? Cone. Cone volume formula, as you can see clearly mentioned here, 1/3. 1/3. Okay, I'm finding here, or I can find it here. So 1/3 pi r square into h. Okay, pi radius is 2. I'm copying 2 here, and height is h. I'm leaving h as a h. 2 square 4. 4 ones are 4/3 pi h. So this I'm copying here, 4/3 pi h. Now my target is to get h, subject. How to get it? Can you see, student? Pi. Why not question make easy? Divide the whole equation by pi. So this pi divide cancel out. I will get 88/3. This step is not compulsory. If pi cancel, I get 16/3. Pi cancel, I get 104/5. And pi cancel, I get 4/3 h. Now these two values I will bring it here. Look, I'm typing in I just show you how you can type in calculator. This is a way of typing in calculator. All right, and 4/3 h left here. Okay, I am doing parallel with you, students. I am typing in my calculator. Even you can type in your calculator. Hold on, let me check it. Is I correct or not? I'm getting here left hand side whole in typing in calculator will become what? Hold on. I'm getting what here? I'm getting here 16/5 equal to 4/3 h. Now 3 will multiply up, 4 will go down. It means like this. Height equal to 16/5 into 3/4. And an answer is I'm getting here into 3/4 and 12.5 or 2.4. 2.4 centimeter is answer of, so not centimeter, I think meter. We don't, yeah, meter, because these are not a centimeter, it's a meter. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this part is over. Let's go for below. part number third, what the question is, the container is full of grain, all right, and the grain is removed from the container at a rate 35,000 per hour. Repeat, how much is rate of the flow? 35,000 kilograms in 1 hour. So I will write here kilograms and I write here hour. So 35,000 kilogram flow in 1 hour. This meaning like that, okay? All right. So now, student, how we can do it? And he said that 1 meter grain has a mass this much. Okay. So problem is that can I use directly? No, because he said that this container contains how much total volume? Total volume is this much. So problem is that this a meter cube. How I can use this formula directly? Directly I can't use formula logic because here hour and here kilogram. So when kilogram hour given and here we have a meter cube. How I can use they are together? No way. So it means to use it, I have to convert meter cube into kilogram. And we given one connection here. This link is given here. How? Meter cube is equal to 620 kilogram. I repeat my words. This is a very important statement. 1 meter cube of grain is equal to 620 kilogram. So I'm writing two titles. Title number 1 is meter cube. Title number 2 kilograms. So 1 meter cube, I'm writing 1 equal to 620 kilograms, 620 kilogram. Now I bring this number, this many meter cube. So 88 pi by 3 is volume. I'm writing here 88 pi by 3 is how many kilograms? So I'm writing X. So I'm doing cross multiply. So wait a minute, let me show you again. This much volume I want totally should leave the container. Like from this container, grain should go out. Total, all grains should go out. So how all grain goes out? Let me tell you. First of all, I need to find mass. So X multiply with a 1, I'll show you. X times 2, 1. And this multiply with that, 620 times 2, 88 pi by 3. So this is, I'm just typing in calculator. Inshallah, I believe you're understanding. So if I type in calculator, let me check how much kilograms it converted to. 62 times 2, 88 times 2 pi by 3. So I am getting, students, the answer is coming 5456 by 3 pi. Okay, kilograms. This I got into because this is a kilogram. You can see kilograms, students. So this is a kilogram. If you're not happy with this number, so you can convert into decimal 5713.5051 kilograms. So this kilogram I got it. So this is a mass. So this kilogram is kilogram matching or not matching? Exactly matching. So I will copy this number here under it. So 5713.51 and here X. I repeat my words again. So 6288 pi by 3. Yes, I got this answer. This in kilograms. Okay, I want to find it. So X multiply with this number and this multiply with that number. So look, I'm doing it here now. X times to 35,000 and 3713.51 goes there and it goes under division. So if I divide it, what I can answer? So hold on and wait a minute. I think I did some mistake or all. Okay, yeah, one mistake is there. I make correction. This is a 5713.5. So 5713.5 divided by 35,000. And hold on, I think some mistake is coming here with me. I think, yes, some mistake is there. I'll check again. Okay, so wait a minute. I checked where is mistake is there. Yes, student, I got a mistake. 620 is there, but I by mistake I wrote 62. So I should write 620. So this mistake was there. And now I check again. 620 times 288 into pi by 3. I'm getting what answer, students? Okay, I'm writing directly in kilograms now. Make it a less awkward number. So mass, I'm getting what? How much mass I get it? I'm getting 5713.5.09. Okay, and this kilograms I got it, kilograms. And this number I'm copying there. I think now it's okay and the mistake is clear. So 5713.5.09, which I'm copying here. Okay, and dividing by what? 35,000. and my answer is coming here now. Now 1.6324. We have a special key in our calculator under square root. Under square root key, there is a special key. This is called time function. You see one circle and three commas in your calculator. If you press after getting this answer, it will convert this for answer 1.63244. If you press this button, you get a special answer. On one, he put a circle, 37, he put a one dash, and 56.75, he put a double dash. So what this called hour, what this called minute, what this called seconds. But second is not required. Let me tell you, if this answer is more than 30, I repeat my word, more than 30. So we will add one it. Because you also, why more than 30, sir? Because in 1 hour, 30 minutes. In 1 minute, we have a 30, sorry. In 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. And what do I have 60? 30. Same way, in 1 hour, 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. What do I have 60? 30. So if 30 comes more than 30, we will add. So that is why it becomes one. Okay, so 1 hour, I got it. And 38 minutes, I got this answer. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe this point is very clear. And what is the question? Last part of this question is shaded area of segment is 65. So this area is 65 given by him. Again, this question contain a lot of algebra because he said radius. And you know, student, radius, 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 and radius. So both are radius. How to get shaded area? So plan is so simple. I tell you. So shaded area or segment area. So plan is so simple, area of sector minus area of triangle. Radius, 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 and radius. Here 140, here 140. And segment area is given by him 65. I'm replacing here 65. And what is a sector formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. And what is the triangle area formula? Half into a into b into sine theta. Actually, this is behaving like a and this is behaving like a b. Nothing clear. Now, student, this 0, 0 cancel. I got a, if we simplify and check in calculator, this is simplifying, become 7 over 18, and pi is beside of it, and r square also there. And what about this? R into r become r squared, and I'm gonna have time to r square into sine 140. Now, how to deal with this kind? Because my target is to r, but there are two r's are there. What I will do in this situation, wait and watch. Yes, students, I will take r common out. How to get common out from here? So r square is matching. I'll take common out. So 7 pi by 18 left from here, and half times to sine 140 left here, r squared out. So best technique, you can bring the whole thing, because look, student, look, I given a simple idea to you. 5 equals to 2 over r square. Where this 2 will go? Common sense, this 2 is multiplying, will go under 5 like this, and then take root of this power 2 like this. This is a planning normal algebra. So this is 5. You can say this full is called 2, and this is r square. I think now you understand what is the reason I'm going to divide this under it. Okay, I can type in calculator and then divide, or I can divide first. I can type first and get it. So look at the way I am typing this whole thing in my calculator. 7 times 2 pi divided by 18 minus half times 2 sine 140, and this answer is, I'm getting 0.900336. Okay, so let's talk about, okay, so when we talk about this thing, okay, so what is story here into r square? This will go where? Under 65. So when it go under 65, it will become like this, 0033 equal to r to power 2. Now I will take a root of the whole thing, will become like that. Okay, now I'm typing 65 divided by 0.90033 and take a root of the whole, and answer is turned to be r is equal to 8.496. After rounding 8.50. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe the point is very, very clear.